Today we have the 2017 Bmw X4. This vehicle has done just over 60,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access navigation, connected drive, my vehicle, notifications, communication, and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If you press our mode button, we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, cream and black interior.